taking apart this 1993 Sears water heater. It's a one with an 8-year warranty. Here's a tag. You can see it's a 1993. It wasn't leaking. I just wanted to see what it looked like inside. I'm replacing it just to be on the safe side. So we're going to see what it looks like on the inside. So here it is. I have it open now, and it's a little bit of a surprise. It's not quite as bad as I thought, considering the age of it. Let's see if I can get inside there. No real corrosion in there. There's a lot of this sediment in here, and I'm guessing that's from the anode rod breaking down. The bottom looks pretty good. The elements look pretty good. And even the part that I cut out, that looks pretty good. Not sure if there's a coating on there. Yeah, I guess there is some kind of coating. And this is this system used well water. No water softener. Water doesn't taste too bad. So yeah, I think I could have got a few more years out of this one, but it's going to be replaced now. That's it. Yeah, this is a State Select water heater. It's been in use for about 15 years. Cut it open to see what it looked like on the inside. Glass lining looks pretty good. The anode rod looks kind of puny. A lot of sand in the bottom of the tank. This one was not leaking. Worked fine. I just replaced it because I didn't want to take a chance. No signs of corrosion on the tank though. The glass lining looks fine.